Good morning, everyone. In our today's lecture of talent management, we will be talking about talent management initiatives which need to be done by the management for the success of the organization. So, in the shared PPT, you will see that there are certain criteria which can be developed in talent management initiative so that an organization can lead towards the success. The manager and the higher authorities need to take initiative to make a way for the personal development of the employees and long-term association of the employees in the organization. Some of the way in which manager can motivate and retain employees in the organization could include uh, just as recognition. So recognition about recognition about employees contribution and their work on individual ground boost up self confidence in them so that they can uh, feel associated with the organization and they can remain in the organization for long term. One of the way could be remuneration and reward by increasing pay and remuneration on the basis of their performance can positively motivate an employee uh, as well as they such reward and recognition can motivate uh, ineffective performance to perform better and get that reward and recognition in the organization. Next initiative could be providing opportunities, so giving the charge of challenging project to employees along with the authorities and responsibilities of the same can make employees more confident, and they create such things create a feeling of association with the organization in the long term for an employee in the organization. Next initiative could be role design. So the role of employee in the organization must be designed to keep them occupied and committed in the organization, because if an employee is not occupied enough in the organization, he or she can feel that the job is getting bit boring, and the fatigue factor will come into focus. So it must the job should be designed in such a way it must be flexible enough to inculcate and adopt the employees talent and knowledge. Then one of the initiative could be job rotation. So employees uh, generally lack enthusiasm if they perform same kind of job or work daily in repetitive manner. Thus job rotation and temporary shifting of employees from one job to another job within the organization and within the periphery framework of his knowledge and skills essentially keep them engaged and motivated throughout the organizational life of an employee. Next initiative could be training and development on the job training, e-learning programs, work related tutorials, educational programs, internship courses are very much essentials when it comes to managing talent in the organization. They can essentially enhance the competitiveness, the skills, and the knowledge of employee in long term. Next initiative could be succession planning. So internal promotions helps identifying and developing an individual who can be successor of any senior position in the organization. So every employee look up to this and certainly do his best to promote to the senior position in the organization. Next initiative could be flexibility. So providing flexible work environment, flexible work timing to the employee, make employee more adaptable to the organization and bring out the creativity and feel associated with the organization. Then one of the strategy is relationship management. So maintaining positive workplace where employees are free to express their ideas, their feelings, and take part in decision making process can encourage employees to achieve goal, and rewarded for the better performance lead to employees retention in long term. And next initiative could be self motivation. So nothing is more effective than the self motivation of employees. If employees are not self motivated and self determined, no external thing can work to retain an employee in the organization or to be more productive in the organization. So the management need to develop a culture of self motivation and self discipline in the organization. So these initiatives could be taken by the uh, employer and management, so that uh, employee can retain in the organization and they feel motivated, so that the overall organization's objective can be achieved successfully. So this is all about the talent management initiatives. That is it for the lecture. Thank you so much.